Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is t minus 5. This is equal to t. So what is the value of t? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have t subtract 5. This is equal to t. Now let's take t on the right hand side from here. So this means we have minus 5. This is equal to t subtract t. Now this implies that minus 5, this is equal to t minus t, this is equal to 0. And this implies that minus 5 is not equal to 0. So this means that there is no solution from here. What we have is an empty set. So we have an empty set here. Now, alternatively, if we have A is equal to B, now this implies that A to the power of 2, this is equal to B to the power of 2. Now this is to imply that t subtract 5 raised to the power of 2, this is equal to t to the power of 2. Now we have that t minus 5 to the power of 2, this is in the form of a subtract b raised to the power of 2, which you can express as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 subtract 2ab. Applying this algebraic identity, this implies that what we have here is t to the power of 2 plus 25 subtract 10t. This is equal to t to the power of 2. Now we have that t to the power of 2 and t to the power of 2 here. So this simplifies. So that now we have 25 minus 10t. This is equal to 0. Now let's take plus 25 on the right hand side, and this means we have negative 10t, which is equal to negative 25. Now to solve for t here, let's divide both sides by minus 10. Here we have minus 10. So if we simplify here, we have that the value of t is equal to 25 over 10, which we can simplify here. 25 divided by 5, this is 5. And we have 10 divided by 5, this is equal to 2. So we have that the value of t is equal to 5 over 2. The value of t is equal to 5 over 2. Now let's verify if this value of t satisfies the equation. Now let's verify that t equal to 5 over 2 if this satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that t minus 5, this is equal to t. So we have 5 over 2 subtract 5. This should be equal to 5 over 2. Now here we have that 5 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So the LCM is equal to 2, so that we have 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 5, this is 5. Subtract 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 5, this is equal to 10. And this should be equal to, let's check if this is supposed to be equal to 5 over 2. So 5 minus 10, this is negative 5 over 2. And this is not equal to 5 over 2. So this is to imply that t is not equal to 5 over 2. So in other words, there is no real solution to this math problem. So there's no real solution to this math problem.